how to recover your Apple ID. With this last method, it's very normal if you forget your Apple ID because you don't put your password every day, okay? So let's go to the screen of my cell phone to check this step by step to recover your Apple ID. But before it, please subscribe at this channel and leave a like. It's very important to our channel, and comment down here if this step by step works. Comment, oh, thank you, it works, and this step by step doesn't work. Comment two things: the mark and the model of your phone and what happened, because here we bring all tutorials for you, my dear friend. So let's go to the screen of my cell phone. The first thing you need to do is know what is your Apple ID. Looking for your Apple ID inside your iPhone, write on a paper, and let's access a website. So open your browser, any internet icon that you access the internet. In my case, I'll access the Safari. When you open the Safari, you just need to tap right here, and you just need to go in iCloud.com. Tap in go and wait for a few seconds. And when you arrived at this screen, you just need to put your Apple ID. Press in put your Apple ID over here, and after it you need to tap in forget Apple ID or password. It will send you in iforgot.apple.com. You just need to put your Apple ID, your code that will show in your screen, and follow all the step by step. Sometimes the Apple will send you a text message to check if you are on of your Apple ID. Another thing you can do to you recover your Apple ID is call to Apple. You just need to go in Google search and write Apple support. Tap go, and you just need to call to this number and tell him what happened. Sometimes they will order to you to say what is your invoice number so you can recover all your Apple ID. So just call him and follow this step by step by phone. I hope I help you with this tutorial. Please don't forget, comment down here if this tutorial works, and if this tutorial doesn't work, comment the mark and the model of your phone and what happened, because here we bring all tutorials for you about our subscribers channel. Leave a like, subscribe at this channel, and until the next video, my dear friend, stay with God and see ya!